Close your eyes for a moment. Think about the life you want. Now listen carefully. Nothing in this world is free. Not success, not confidence, not dreams. This topic matters because many people are waiting. Waiting for luck, waiting for support, waiting for the right time. But life does not reward waiting. Life rewards effort. Life rewards the person who keeps going when it hurts. Let me tell you a simple story. It is not famous, but it is real. There was a young boy from a small town, no rich family, no strong connections, no special talent. Every day he walked to school with fear in his heart. His English was weak. His confidence was broken. People laughed when he spoke. At night, while others slept, he sat alone. A small room, a weak light, a cheap notebook. He failed again and again. His pronunciation was wrong. His grammar was broken. His voice shook. Many times he wanted to quit. He asked himself, "Why is this so hard for me?" But one night, he understood something important. If life is hard, then I must become stronger. He stopped asking for easy ways. He stopped waiting for help. He decided to pay the price. Every day, he practiced. Even when tired, even when confused, even when no one cared. Slowly, his voice became clear. His mind became strong. His fear became smaller. Years later, people listened to him. The same people who laughed before. Now they asked, "How did you do it?" He smiled and said, "Nothing is free." The first lesson is simple. Hard work is not a punishment. Hard work is a teacher. It teaches patience. It teaches focus. It teaches strength. The second lesson is painful, but true. You must work even when motivation is gone. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. The third lesson is about time. Results are slow. Growth is silent. But quitting is loud and final. You must understand this deeply. Talent helps, but effort decides. Luck helps, but consistency wins. Now listen carefully. Your mindset must change. Stop thinking, "Why is life unfair?" Start thinking, "What can I do today?" Believe that you are capable, even if you are not ready now. Belief is the first payment. Then take action, small action, daily action, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 page, 1 sentence, and stay disciplined. Not for 1 day, not for 1 week, but until your life changes. Let me ask you something. How long will you wait? How many dreams will you bury because of fear? How many chances will you miss because you want comfort? Look at your hands. These hands can build a future, but only if you use them. Look at your heart. It is tired, but it is still beating. That means your story is not over. Right now, you may feel weak, lost, confused, but remember this. Every strong person was once weak. Every confident voice was once silent. Your pain is not useless. Your struggle is not a waste. It is shaping you. Stay with the process. Respect the struggle. Pay the price. Because one day, your hard work will speak for you. And when that day comes, you will look back and smile. Nothing is free, but everything is possible. Start today. Work today. Become unstoppable. Remember this forever. You don't need an easy life. You need a strong mindset.